why South Africans they are chasing black people, they don't chase white people. They know what they are doing. Sometimes we can complain, why are you chasing us, you don't chase white people? They know that white people are the reason why they have got good life, they have got jobs, their economy is growing. They don't have sanctions in South Africa. Many companies in Europe they want to work with South Africa. So those people they bring white people close and black people to chase them away, because a black person doesn't bring development in their countries. Yes, it's true. Sometimes we can blame South Africa, this and that, but we don't want to fix our economy. When we started talking about our country, to fix our country, other people you start insulting in comment section, yeah, this that, but you are complaining that South Africa are chasing you away. You understand it? So it doesn't make any sense, because now what happened, it's happened. You understand it? People are being chased. We have to think the next step. What are we going to do with our lives? Because South Africans they don't need us anymore. Yes, in other side where South Africans are right. In this country there is overpopulation, guys. There is overpopulation in this country. You understand it? So that's why they are complaining that they don't get the jobs. Why South Africans they don't chase white people away? They know that white people they are going to work for them. Black people we can't do business for ourselves, and now we are complaining that we want to share with them. I think it was not fair at other side what I saw. We have to go back to fix our countries. And sometimes when we try to fix our countries, people you say start to insult a person, or maybe you I have got fear to die. You say those ministers on our countries, or you have fear because in other countries when you start talking about politics, they start maybe, or you are being in jail because you are talking about politics. But in South Africa you are complaining why they are chasing you away. You understand it? So we have to open our eyes, our ears, as in as foreigners, to see, to fix our countries, what's going on. If they say they don't want with their country, we have to accept that. We have to accept that, to think the next step, what are we going to do? Because now what happened, it's happened. No one is going to, no foreigner is going to work in this country. So you have to think, what are we going to do now? Because when they say they don't want with their country, yes, they have got rights, guys, with their country. Sometimes we say, because you want the rights in South Africa, why those rights you failed to have them in your country? You say in your country we don't have rights, but you want to have 50-50 with South Africans. Sometimes we have to think about other people's feelings and our feelings again.